Paggamit ng come and came in English-Tagalog sentences. I came to talk with you. Pumunta ako para kausapin ka. Come here. Halika dito. Can you come? Maaari ka bang pumunta? Is this what you came for? Ito ba ang pinunta mo dito? Come with me. Sumama ka sa akin. May I come in? Pwede ba akong pumasok? He came drunk last night. Dumating siyang lasing kagabi. Will she come? Darating ba siya? Please, come in. Pasok ka. They came for no reason. Pumunta sila ng walang dahilan. Come here, Lara. Halika dito, Lara. When I came home, nobody was there. Nang umuwi ako, wala ni isang tao. Has he come yet? Dumating na ba siya? Come and help us. Halika at tulungan mo kami. I came home late. Gabi na nang makauwi ako. Don't come again. Huwag ka nang bumalik pa. She may not come. Maaaring hindi siya dumating. Come here quickly. Halika dito, bilis. Please come again. Balik ka ulit. She came along with us. Sumama siya sa amin. Come into the room. Pumasok ka sa kwarto. He is likely to come. Malamang darating siya. She came to rescue me. Dumating siya para iligtas ako. I wish you had come with us. Sana sumama ka sa amin. Is that all you came here for? Iyan lang ba ang ipinunta mo dito? Why did you come early? Bakit ka pumunta ng maaga? I came to warn you. Pumunta ako para balaan ka. I'm not sure when he'll come. Hindi ako sigurado kung kailan siya darating. Would you come here for a while? Pwede bang pumunta ka dito saglit? Come and see me once in a while. Kita tayo paminsan-minsan. Have you been told when to come? Sinabihan ka ba kung kailan ka pupunta? That shoes came from me. Galing sa akin ang sapatos na iyon. A few moments later, the nurse came in. Ilang saglit pa, pumasok na ang nurse. I wasn't sure who came in. Hindi ako sigurado kung sino ang pumasok. You better come with us. Mabuti pa, sumama ka sa amin. I can't come because I'm sick. Hindi ako makakapunta dahil may sakit ako. I'd like you to come with me. Gusto kong sumama ka sa akin. Who do you think will come first? Sino sa tingin mo ang mauunang dumating? Will he be able to come tomorrow? Makakarating kaya siya bukas? How did you come this far? Paano ka nakarating dito? I hope your wish will come true. Hiling ko na sana matupad ang iyong pangarap. When will you come back to school? Kailan ka ulit babalik sa paaralan? I advised him to come back at once. Pinayuhan ko siya na bumalik kaagad. I am doubtful whether he will come. Nagdududa ako kung darating siya. Should I wait for her to come back? Kailangan ko bang hintayin na bumalik siya? I think it's time for me to come home. Sa tingin ko, oras na para umuwi ako. By the time we come back, I'll be gone. Sa oras na bumalik ka, wala na ako. He promised to come but he didn't. Nangako siyang darating siya pero hindi. Won't you come in and have a cup of coffee? Ayaw mo bang pumasok para magkape? I don't know when my sister will come back. Hindi ko alam kung kailan babalik ang kapatid ko. I didn't expect that Mary will come so soon. Hindi ko inaasahan na darating agad si Mary. It might come in handy. Maaari itong magamit. Can I come over? Maaari ba akong lumapit?